All right, so we're getting there pretty close, but let's make sure that all the settings that we copied from your first semester course is copied to your second semester course. So again, I'm in the second semester course. It has the 2 at the end. That's how I know that. I'm going to check to make sure that my things that I need up here at the top are actually there in the navigation panel. So I'm going to go down and check settings and go to navigation, and I have pulled up announcements. Those have to be up at the top. Modules, Jigsaw. Modules isn't necessarily, well, we'll just leave it there for now. And Jigsaw, GradeSync, grades, so the kids can see their grades. Your syllabus is pulled up if you're elementary grade band. If you're primary grade band, you don't have to pull your syllabus up, it's somewhere else. And any kind of tools that you use specifically in your class. So this is an ELA class, they use some of these. So make sure that all of those are there. You have to have that announcements, modules, Jigsaw, GradeSync and grades, and syllabus if you are in sorry, I can't even think. If you're in elementary grade band, you have syllabus pulled up because we have our syllabus. And that's the next thing we're going to check, just to make sure the syllabus is there and the link is there. So we're good. In the modules, you've transferred over your TAP module and also your welcome module with your resources that you had. So that's there. And anything else that you wanted to keep from your first semester to your second semester. And just make sure all that's there and you're good to go.